Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Another vintage camera video. This time I'm going to focus on Bencini Comet. Different format, very simple camera, so a nice quick video. So let's just jump straight in. So as I say, probably quite a short video because there's not much to it, but this is the Comet, or in fact the Comet S. There was several different versions of the Comet made by an Italian company, CMF Bencini, from about 1948, although the Comet S I don't think came until 1950. Quite an Art Deco style because of it, and it's one of the reasons I was drawn to it. The other reason is it's 1:7 film. So the other formats of medium format I've been looking at so far, 120, 620, etc. This was another version, 1:7 film, so slightly smaller than 120. But it got you a 3x4 centimeter shot, and as you can see with the two windows on the back, like some of the other cameras I've got, it meant you could double up the number of exposures on each film. So yeah, really simple to operate because most of it is fixed. So let me just take off this rather a nice looking lens cap here, proper posh metal lens cap. So the lens here is 55mm. It has a focus ring from 3 feet to infinity, but the aperture is fixed at f11, so quite a small aperture, and the shutter speed is fixed at a 30th of a second or bulb. That's the only two choices you get. So we have our shutter button on top here. If I were to just press it, you get 1/30 of a second. If I was to lift this little arm here and press it, hold it, the shutter will remain open whilst I'm holding that down, and release it and it closes again. And that's the only choices you get. So this can make it a little bit challenging in some light conditions. But yeah, it's a nice little camera and works really well because it's so simple. There's very little that can go wrong with it. I'll just open up the back so you can have a look. So yeah, as you can see inside, not much to it. This is the 1:7 spools. As you can see, a little bit smaller than the 120 that I showed you before. And that's kind of it. Like I say, short-lived video, but a nice little camera. I'm hoping to give it a try soon. 1:7 film is a little bit more expensive, it seems, than 120. However, yeah, not excessively so. So I'm looking forward to giving it a try. It's a viewfinder rather than SLR, so it's going to be a little bit trial and error in terms of how successful we are with it. But looking forward to giving it a go. So that's it, nice and quick, as I said. Got a couple more cameras to show you, so more videos coming soon. So thank you very much for watching and sticking with me. Please, if you haven't already, like the video, share the videos. Please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.